power of surrender, unlocking the path to inner freedom. Dear friend, I sincerely hope this message finds you amidst moments of tranquility and introspection. Lately, my thoughts have gravitated towards the profound nature of surrender, and I feel compelled to share with you the depth of my understanding. In the intricate symphony of our lives, surrender often gets misconstrued as an act of defeat or a display of weakness. However, through my personal journey, I've come to perceive surrender as an act of profound courage and resilience. It beckons us to find a delicate balance between our aspirations and the inherent uncertainties of life. It urges us to understand that while we cannot control every outcome, we can control our responses, allowing us to navigate life's complexities with grace and wisdom. The art of surrender is a perpetual voyage into self-awareness and introspection. It calls upon us to confront our deepest fears and insecurities, urging us to relinquish the need for rigid control and to trust in the natural rhythm of the universe. Through this introspective journey, we've come to grasp that surrender is not synonymous with defeat, but rather a conscious choice to align ourselves with the natural flow of life, recognizing that there is immeasurable strength in letting go of that which no longer serves our personal growth. In the ceaseless pursuit of societal validation and material success, we often find ourselves intertwined in a relentless cycle of striving and achievement. This ceaseless chase can lead to a profound sense of disconnection from our true selves, leaving us feeling unfulfilled and constantly seeking external validation. Nevertheless, the practice of surrender offers us a pathway to liberation. It encourages us to release the burdens of societal expectations and ego-driven desires, fostering a deep sense of inner peace that transcends fleeting external circumstances. Through surrender, we find the courage to realign our values with our actions, cultivating a deep sense of purpose and contentment in our daily lives. As we embark on the journey of surrender, we must confront our innate resistance to change and embrace the discomfort that often accompanies uncertainty. This process demands a fundamental shift in our perspective, inviting us to view obstacles and challenges as opportunities for growth and self-discovery rather than insurmountable barriers. In the practice of surrender, we cultivate resilience and flexibility, nurturing a deeper trust in the innate intelligence of life's unfolding journey, recognizing that each experience, whether joyous or challenging, is an integral part of our personal evolution. May we both find the courage to embrace the transformative power of surrender in our lives, to release the grip of past regrets and future anxieties, and to cultivate a profound sense of gratitude for the present moment. Let us traverse this path of surrender with compassion and patience, acknowledging that within this surrender lies the key to unlocking the boundless potential of our authentic selves. With heartfelt sincerity and a shared commitment to growth and self-discovery, your companion on this journey.